Hey guys, it's me Marty and welcome back to Glam with Marty, where we are here making America glam again. Today I got an eyeshadow palette review for y'all. Something that surprised me. Y'all remember when I posted the Boxycharm August video? If you didn't see it, I'll put a card for it right there. But I put the Boxycharm August video up and it actually had one of the products broken. My Ciatè London Olive palette was completely shattered. All of the shimmers were gone. So I let them know about that and they sent me a replacement palette. In the email with the tracking, they said, we will send you something beautiful. Even we have a warehouse, but it may not be the same thing. We might have run out of whatever you need to replace. And I guess they ran out, which I wanted them to do because I actually wanted a different product. I didn't want that Ciatè London palette from the beginning, the little one. I love Ciatè London, but it wasn't all that. It was the best option they had. But I was hoping they wouldn't send me another one. I was hoping they'd send me something totally new, and they did. This is what I got, y'all. This is the Chella La Vie Neutrale palette. First off, let me say, Chella, I didn't realize that they even made eyeshadow palettes. I only had a eyebrow glue from them, and I don't remember hearing from them ever again. So I was surprised to see this in the mail, in the box. So when you open it, let me give you price points first, actually. It is, I'll put it right here, it is $47 retail at Chella, and I got it in my Boxycharm box as a replacement. Now, I will tell y'all, I did go to Boxycharm Drop Shop to see if they had anything from Chella in there. I didn't see anything at all, much less this palette. But if they shipped it to me, I'm pretty sure they either are going to get it at some point or they've had it at some point. I don't know. I'm going to talk more about it before I start actually working on it. So again, this is the shape, the way it is on the inside. It came with a brush, big huge mirror. This is the names on the pans. It's the little brush, which I tried to use today. I did manage to use all of these shades because there's just 4. And then these pans too are replaceable. So if you want to change it, you just pop it on out. See that? You could just pop it back in and call it a day. Oh, I got some more on my hand. So if you guys want to see what I think of this cute little baby Chella palette, you can just keep watching. Thanks. Logistically, it's a little difficult to shoot in this couch, so I probably won't be doing it anymore. I love the couch so much. I want it to sit because it's so comfy, but I'm probably gonna have to move back to my little studio setup. But for today, I'm gonna be sitting on the couch. So let's look at this little baby. This is the Chella. I'm excited. I haven't had anything from their brand. La Vie Neutral palette, Femme Vitality, Instincts Dynamic. Is it only 4 pans? Oh, look how cute this is, y'all. When you push it, it pops open like that instead of you having a, y'all know what a normal palette is. I shouldn't have to tell y'all. Oh, this is so nice. Love attracts love. Y'all, okay, I don't need a mirror. They have a mirror. So this is what the mirror looks like. This is the inside. It came with this little cover. It has the shade names on it. It says love attracts love. It says hello beautiful. And then they actually included their own little brush. Oh, I'm glad the hello beautiful stays on there because I like stuff like that. So this is a little brush. It's like a little old school puff thing that nobody uses on the top, and then it I could use it really good for a crease brush on the bottom. Again, mirror, all that stuff. Looks like these pans can pop out. So if you wanted to, oh, yep. The pans can come out. So if you have some that you want to switch out, you can. I think they sell single shadows on the website from what I saw. So you could do that, you know, if you have one that you love, or if you have some other palettes but you want to use this color, kind of like the Fenty Snap palettes. So these are absolutely stunning, but I need to see what the quality looks like. So let's go ahead and get to making a look. I'm so excited, y'all. It's been a rough week, so to get to do something fun makeup related. Y'all a little closer. I guess I could turn the light on pretty low because my new room light is pretty bright. So the ring light, I'm gonna leave it at this level. Not because I have a headache or anything. I do have a headache, but it's not that bad. I'm thinking about doing a story time, y'all, while I'm working. Let me just chat with y'all real quick. I don't know when this is gonna post, but this whole week, like, let me turn it off because I feel like I'm getting fleshed out by it. Yeah, that's all I can do. This whole week has been hell for me. I'm gonna dip into this pretty shade right here. I forgot what it's called, but they don't have shades on the top, and they're not on the bottom either. So I'll just show y'all. It's literally just 4. So this one, She's pretty. I'm gonna use her as my transition. But yeah, so this week, y'all, has been bananas. It literally started on Labor Day, which was supposed to be such a fun time. Sunday we had a big Labor Day party at my folks' new house, and because the backyard, they got like, I forgot how many acres, but it's a couple acres, so they can get, you know, they can really fill up outside with stuff. So they had a pool, they had a splash pad, they had like another pool, they had like a kiddie pool and a regular pool. So what happened was that was amazing. That night was so fun. I did have a migraine for most of the day, but the weather kept changing, so it was crazy. Then Labor Day itself, I can't even get into it here because I think I'm gonna do a story time on it because it's way too much to tell. But it's been very, very hard on me. Not everybody. It's not just a hard week for the world. It's been a hard week for me. So I think I'm going to do a story time on it. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this where I'm not doxing people. But I think I'm going to dinner. I'm doing my makeup right now. I wanted to test the palette out too, but I'm also going to dinner because a friend of mine was like, hey, dude, you've been going through. You want to go get a margarita? I was like, sure, let's go. So we're going to go eat at my favorite place a little later. But I wanted to do my makeup because I hadn't really gotten up, gotten dressed, gotten myself together like since Sunday. Excuse me. And Sunday I was actually late because of my head. So I'm going to dip into this darker brown shade with the brush they gave me for my crease. Oh, I like that. That's a good crease color. I mean, a good crease brush. It's super soft though. Y'all see how much it's moving around? Like it's very flexible. Which sometimes I don't know if I want it in a crease. Well, it depends on the look I'm making. This is a pretty simple look, so we should be good. But yeah, it was a lot of family stuff that went down, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to make the video because I feel like I'm not getting heard. So I'm going to make the story time probably when I get back from dinner after I had a margarita. Then I think I'll be more honest. Alright, so going in, that's a really good crease color. I wish the brush was a little stiffer because this would be a better brush for like a transition shade. I didn't think it was going to be like that, so I didn't bother with it. I didn't bother with checking it. I thought it was going to be a little more dense, but these are the two colors so far. Very neutral. I can do a poppy lip tonight then since my eyeshadow is very neutral. Okay, now I want to take this white shade here, which is stunning. I'm going to actually try to use the little poof. I'm going to use the little poof. Even on the little poof, y'all, look at that. Look at the light. So shimmery. So I'm going to put a little bit here. Oh, dang, bro. It's like a... Okay, this poof isn't working, but the color is... Look at that, y'all. What? That's beautiful. I have my brushes on the floor. I didn't realize I don't have anywhere to put my stuff like I do when I sit at the recording where I always wrap. What? Okay, so going in with another brush, a flat shader brush. I'm going to pick some up because using that poof made it too chunky and it was breaking off, but I can see the shade for sure. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Oh my god, for a brow bone highlight? Jeez. Oh, that's stunning. That's really pretty. This shade here, wow. And I'm not going to lie to y'all, if they offered me this palette instead of the Ciatè one that I wound up getting, that was all broken, I would have taken this one. I've never seen this palette before. I didn't know Chella even made eyeshadow palettes. Like, I knew Chella from a eyebrow gel that I got, I think it was Ipsy. That's how long ago it was. It was a cute eyebrow gel. It was just an eyebrow gel, not too much about it. I'm going to take the fluffier side of the brush, that flexible side, and I want to use that to blend these three shades together. Just go over it one more time. Make sure there's no harsh lines yet. All right. Okay, so that looks good, right? All right, so I'm going to take this, I don't know who makes this, but I'm going to dip into this pretty shade. Again, the matte shade, this like brownie color. I'm going to just pop that onto either side. We're going to do a halo eye tonight. Oh, it's showing up on my skin too. I didn't need to do another. That's good to know, because sometimes I get annoyed with that junk. Okay, nice. If you want to be easier, you could just do your whole lid with this and then, you know, just tap the gold on where you want it, but I'm going to... I don't know why I feel like I waste eyeshadow and you never hit pan on it, but you know, I am who I am. I can't change it. But some people wish I could though. All right, Boxycharm flat shader. I don't know what I'm going to do when this brush is like done. Oh my, I didn't even use my finger. Look at that. That's what it just picked up on the brush. Let's see what the tapping does. Nice. Not as glittery as I thought it was going to be, but... I mean, I don't know how much more glittery I want it, but let me try it with my finger. Y'all know I like to tap tap. Let's see. Yeah. Wow. Those shimmer highlighters are highlighters. That's what I was going to say. These shimmer eyeshadows rival highlighters I own. Like this looks more glittery than like Rodeo Drive from Ofra, and y'all know Rodeo Drive, she's that girl. But my God. But yeah, it felt good this afternoon to get up, get dressed. Cause I won't lie to y'all, that stuff right there put me in a bit of a depression. And I never use that word because I feel like it gets thrown around so much. But I was hardcore depressed. I've been told things in the last couple hours that nobody should ever have to hear. No one defended me either. I was in this fight by my damn self. Sucks, but it is what it is. So anyway, now I'm gonna go and I want to use the, oh my God, that little brush is driving me crazy. I want to try to use that little baby brush again, this one here. And I want to take the little poof side and I want to put the brown on there. And I'm going to use that as my contour shade today. God, this little poof, I'm trying to work with you, dude, but you're not doing, I can't, it's not doing anything. I'm just going to put it right back in here. Maybe that'll be good to travel with. I really don't know, but can't do nothing with it right now. Okay, so Shani contour brush into brown eyeshadow. And here, and here. A little more here too. It's a very light shade. You could probably, I'm just doing this to kind of make that gold stand out a little bit more. But that brown, it's a really light contour shade, but that's fine. I mean, I think for a natural vibe, it's okay. And especially because now that I've seen the palette, I think I'm going to probably do bold lips. So I think that's good. Okay, so I'm going to take this little Essence Glam brush and I'm going to pull it into the lid just a little tiny bit and then up just to kind of pull everything all together. And that contour color I used is the same color I used for the crease, but I did it on a denser brush so that it gave more color payout. So if you have like this little tiny 4 shader, you can always, like, if you take a fluffy brush, it's going to be a lot lighter. If you take a denser brush like so, the shade is going to be darker. So yeah. Okay. So I'm liking this so far. I'm going to go do my liner. Actually, I'm going to go work some more on my look, and then I'll come back and we'll do an under eye look together in a inner eye corner. But so far, y'all, this is one of the best new palettes I've gotten in a long time. Just the packaging itself. All right, y'all, so most of my makeup is done. Still, the ring light actually like flushes me out a little bit, so I'll just use the light up there. But so makeup is done so far. This is the eye look. I am coming back to do the under eye look and the inner eye corner highlight. I already know where I'm going with the highlight. I think y'all know too. We are going to open this up and I'm going to go into this shade right here. Oh, it's Film. Okay, if I leave it up here, I can see. So we're going to go with Film, which is this outstanding, beautiful white shimmer highlight shade I used in my brow bone. A little dot right here. Come on. A little dot right here. Come on again. Look at that. Excuse me. I was going to say this could be my favorite palette, but I have so many favorite little palettes. Like the little palettes have been killing it lately. Dynamic, which is this brown color on a kind of looser eyeliner brush. It's not as compact. It's, you know, y'all see it. I don't have to explain to y'all. I'm going to drag that under my lower lash line because I kind of want a little smokier look today. That's better. Yeah, that's better. That's what I wanted. Like a natural looking smoky. That is the whole eye look. I'm gonna go finish my look up and we'll come back and talk about this little Chella palette. I don't know if y'all are aware of what I think, but I'm pretty sure y'all know I like it. All right, I'm gonna go finish my look. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so we're done. This is the Chella, I forgot what it was called again. So this is the look I made using the Chella La Vie Neutral palette, which I don't know if y'all know, but that means like neutral life, and it is definitely that. This is it. I did just use it today. I'm gonna throw y'all to the swatches. Actually, it's 4 shades. I could swatch it now. I love this palette. I love the shimmers. I know everyone's always like, if they throw a shimmer in there, they got you. Yeah, if it's formulated correctly, because I have seen some shimmers that are doo-doo. These are the 4 colors. But y'all, this palette, look at that. Oh my God. And this last color, oof. Look at these colors. Y'all, that's insane. They're beautiful. The shimmers, the mattes blended pretty well, but the shimmers just, I can't get over how, and look how much is still on my finger. Like, the shimmers are just so freaking pretty. Like, they look wet. They're wet shimmer glitters. I don't know. They're super creamy. All the shades are really, really creamy. I love the packaging. Oh, I can't get a makeup wipe. I love the packaging. I love the way it feels in the hand. The packaging feels nice and weighted. I do think it's a little bit expensive, but I do see why it's that expensive. You know, some things I'm like, what made this $20? This thing, I see it. It's a really, really good travel palette. Like literally, I would throw it in my bag and keep it in there, and then just every day, and then just like every day when I'm, you know, ripping and running, you have this in your purse. You can use it just as a mirror. It's so cute. The shape of the box, look at this. You can hold it. It's easy to hold in your hand. I don't know what else to say. I love this palette a lot. Chella. Thank you, Boxycharm and Ipsy, for sending this in the place of my broken Ciatè palette, because this thing is amazing. I don't know if they still sell it. I looked for it online a couple places. If they do still sell it, I'm going to link it down below so y'all can check it out. I want to look at this one more time. This is what the palette itself looks like. Hands are not retractable, replaceable. Yeah, pans are replaceable. You can see they're easy to pop out. Came with a brush, came with this beautiful mirror, and I love this palette. I also like the enclosure, how it snaps closed. So I don't know if y'all are aware, but I'm going to go ahead and give this one 5 out of 5 diamonds, because it is just, I love this palette. It's so good. To say it's a quad, technically it's a quad. It's just 4 shades. It's just that pretty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know how versatile it is, because it's so neutral, but you could definitely wear it every day. Look at this. Y'all, are you serious? And my ring light is off, by the way. My ring light is off. I'm just using my glam room light. Come on, really? It's insane. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I would even say it's worth the price. Definitely 5 out of 5 diamonds. Yeah, thank you again, Boxycharm and Ipsy, for making this right by sending me something much, much better than the palette I had that broke. I really love this. So everything I'm wearing on my face will be linked down below, along with all my social media, along with this this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to link that down below as well. And also, oh, don't forget, please like the video and please subscribe, because at 500 subscribers I'll be giving away a brand new Dossier perfume, which is somewhere back there. I don't want to reach back and grab it, but yeah, so I'm going to be giving that away. Thank you guys again so much for joining me. If y'all could take a breather. Hi Roro, it's me, Nini. I love you so, so much, baby girl. Thank you for watching my video. I miss you, I love you, and I cannot wait to see you. I love you, baby girl. And for the rest of y'all, I will be here next time y'all want to get glam, if you come on over and get glam with Marty. I'll see y'all next time.